Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the E255 adjustable bed from Malouf. Now this is a great entry-level price point adjustable bed with all the key features you need. It has the zero gravity, anti-snore, and a wireless remote. It also has zero clearance, which means I can put it directly on a platform bed, or it comes with its own legs. Super versatile, very easy to set up, which I'm going to show you in a minute here, and then we're going to walk through some of the key features. I can't use scissors. Scissor points. Ouch. That hurt. Oh yeah. Oh come on, you don't want to do like slow-mo. You almost got it. Where's that Caesar?
And if you want to start talking anytime you can, we'll
Okay, splice it in. All right, so everything you need is going to be inside the E255. As you know, as I unfold it, there's two boxes. Basically just cut out some of the extra packaging here so it doesn't fall out in transit. And then also make sure to grab the retainer bar. That goes at the bottom of the base so the mattress doesn't slip around. Make sure you've got all the other ties taken out. Just make sure all of these ties obviously stay for the wiring so nothing gets tangled up. Take a look at what's inside these boxes. All right, so here we have two legs. Super easy. They just screw in. I prefer to screw them into the outer hole, but you could put it in the inner one as well. And that's important if you want to put this inside of an existing bed frame. Just allows some versatility so you don't run into any slats or other pieces. Okay, we also have the remote, which does come with its own batteries, which is pretty handy. You don't have to run out to the store and get batteries if you don't have them. We'll put that aside for now. And then we also have the power adapter. So this is probably really the most complicated piece of the setup, which really isn't complicated at all. You just plug these two pieces in and then plug it into the wall. And then we just add our other two legs. So again, this just plugs in. This little latch is going to connect over here. What I like about the Malouf beds is they give you plenty of cording. So if you are far away from an outlet, it is long enough to extend pretty far. Right now I'm just going to leave this tied up, just so you know there is a lot of cord. I just like to keep mine neat until I know how much I need. And then you latch this closed so it doesn't fall apart. And then we're going to put on our other two legs. There's also two legs in the middle for added stability. Also make sure these little plastic things, they might be a little off. Just bang them down, make sure they're nice and tight. The rubber just keeps your floors from getting scratched. You get these last three going. Again, make sure your little rubber piece is connected. Over here. Sure that's in tight. Everything's on the outer or inner. Just make sure you're consistent. Get this going. Also, just make sure these are pretty tight so that they don't come loose as you use the adjustable bed. Obviously, you don't want to over tighten, but just so you really can't turn it anymore with one hand. Now, the last piece you can do on your own. It does help to have another partner. Be mindful of the power cord. You don't want to pinch it. Usually what I do is I will lift it up from the power end side so it doesn't get caught. And then we can just walk it over to where we need it to go. Slide it into place. Now, you may be wondering which side is up. Good indicator is this is actually where it's articulating. So this is going to be the head. I'm actually going to want to scoot this around so we get make sure we've got the head in place. And then we can just lay it down. Last thing to do is install the retainer bar. You can do this before or after you get it on your mattress on. I prefer just to put it on now. Super easy, just pull a little and it's going to snap into place and it'll catch your mattress. So that's set up in a nutshell. Next up, I'm going to put the mattress on and show you some key features. So as you can see, the E255 is super easy to set up. If you can screw in a few legs, plug in an outlet, you're ready to go. Now all I did was just throw the wink bed on here because I do want to demo some key features. Before I do that, I do want to go over pricing and the warranty. This does come with a 10-year warranty. A queen size retails for $1,400 on their website, but if you go to sleepsherpa.com/shop, you can buy directly through us at a discount. If you're in the San Diego area, come on by. We'd love to see you. We will give you a killer deal. We will match anybody else's pricing or beat it. So we are very aggressive on pricing for the Malouf adjustable beds. Now, the other thing I do is want to call out the remote. This is a backlit remote, so anytime you were to touch the remote, it will light up, which is nice when it's dark. You can kind of find all the features you want. Again, pretty basic, which isn't a bad thing. Sometimes these remotes can get pretty complicated, and when you just want to get up at night and incline, there's only a few buttons to choose from, which makes it simple. So the first thing I want to do is just put us into zero gravity. Now, zero gravity is a position that's going to put the least amount of stress on your body. It's actually the position the astronauts were in when they went to the moon. So as they were blasting off, this put the least amount of stress, and coincidentally, it's great for sleeping, especially if you're a back sleeper and you're prone to the low back pain. So here it is going up. And then there is also the anti-snore feature. So these are all presets. I just push one button and now I'm in an anti-snore position. I'm less prone to snoring, I'm more propped up. And again, you can just play around with these positions till you dial in the perfect setting that you want. It will take some time, but what I've noticed is that once you find your position, your body just becomes attenuated to it, and it's just that much easier to fall asleep. I also tend to use an adjustable bed if I'm congested at night. I'll make sure to prop it up just slightly. You can even do that as a side sleeper. So if I'm a side sleeper, I may prop it up maybe a little bit lower than this, and it's just going to allow me to breathe a little bit easier. And so very versatile. Say it's been a long day, I've been on my feet all day, I can raise up the legs. Great for watching TV. With COVID, people have been working from home. This basically turns into a chaise lounge with an adjustable bed. Great for reading. So it really adds a lot of value to the bedroom. It's just a great piece of furniture. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com for the full review and exclusive discounts.